If you're a tech geek obsessed with battery life, listen up. There's more to your phone's power problem than meets the eye. Here's what's really going on inside your battery. First off, your phone battery is a lithium-ion cell, and every charge and discharge cycle slowly wears it down. Tiny chemical reactions build up resistance, making it harder to hold a charge. That's why your battery life drops over time no matter how careful you are. But what about charging habits? Charging overnight or to 100% isn't as bad as you've heard, but avoiding deep discharges, like letting your phone die, is key. Partial charges are actually healthier. Here's the cool part. New tech like solid-state batteries, smarter charging algorithms, and even AI-powered battery management are on the horizon. These could mean faster charging, longer life, and less worrying about when your phone will die. So, next time your battery feels sluggish, remember, it's science, not sabotage. Stay tuned for the future of power in your pocket.